Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Gratitude for you joining us here today. Oh my gosh, guys, have you ever felt so happy, just so enlightedly happy with everything that's going for you, everything that's happening, everything that's just a positive force in your life? If you can feel this happy thought, this happy feeling, this happy inspiration that you have, do you know how powerful that is and how that will take you, your life, your being to the next level? So I'm saying is you should take time every single day. Don't miss a day to feel happy, to feel totally grateful for everything you have. Because when you're happy and when you have that gratitude pouring out of you, it becomes not just a habit or not just a thing, it becomes a way of being. Because being happy is a state of being. Granted, there's days when we're going to feel grumpy, we're going to feel irritated, we're going to feel like the world's against us, we're going to feel like things aren't going right. That's okay. Because it's easy enough just to say, okay, that's not right in my world. That's not happy in my world. But you know what? That's just a phase of my world and it's going away. So the more you feel total happiness for what you have right now, for what you're succeeding at, for what you're achieving, for what you're doing, the easier it is to grow your business, to have that lifestyle you dream about, you have a vision of. And when you put happy into the forefront of your being, of your thinking, of who you are, it is so much simpler to bring it all together, to bring everything you want to create, your vision that's there, to bring it to the forefront and make it a reality in your subconscious that this is who you are. And the more you feel that and the more you acknowledge that, the more you will wire your subconscious to bring you more of what your heart's desire is. And because when you have that feeling deep down in your heart that you are happy with your lifestyle right now, even if it's not where you want to be, that's okay, because you know what? You're getting there. You haven't got there yet, but that doesn't mean it's not right there. It's right there waiting for you. You just have to step into the life. You have to step into the being. And don't chase prospects around. Don't chase people around. Speak your happiness. Speak your joy. Speak what you've learned. Speak your teachings. And speak them happily. When you do this, when you speak what you're teaching or what you're coaching on or what you are offering, when you speak with happiness and full joy in your heart, do you realize how your business is going to turn around? It sounds like it's frou-frou, but it's not. When you do this and you surround yourself with people that are knowingly happy every day, people that they make it happen, even if you're not. You don't take a bad day and just live it through and say, okay, this is my whole bad day. Everything bad's going to happen in one day. Why? Why would you do that? Why not say, okay, this bad thing happened, this thing that happened that irritated me, this thing that happened that threw me off, this person is totally rude, this person irritates me to all get out, I just can't stand this person. Walk away, because you know what? That's not you. You are taking the happy in your heart, in your feeling, because when you do, this is a being that is a vibration, and this vibration is getting you into what you want most. Maybe you just want to be financially happy, to not have to worry about putting food on the table, paying the bills, getting the kids to their games, having a vehicle, all those things. If that's the case, why not be happy right now? Even if you don't have a brand new car, Why not you be grateful for the car you have that's getting you around? Yeah, that's something to be happy about. You got some food on the table. That's another thing to be happy about. You're paying your bills. If you're not all the way there, if you're still in debt and you're working your way out, take care of it. Get it on a payment plan. Do something and then quit worrying about it. It's done. You're paying it off. You're working your way out of the debt you have. So why not be happy right now for what you've got, for what you have, and for what's around you? So when you do this, when you are happy right now for what you've got and for how you are and for everything that you are being and doing and seeing, you are creating. A lot of people don't realize that every vibration we have, every motivation or demotivation or whatever you want to call these things that come along in our lives, we're creating. We're all creating different things, different tasks, different ways. We're creating these things in our lifestyle. And when you do, when you create, make sure you're creating what is good for you. Make sure you are creating the life, the lifestyle, the greatness that's within you. And like I say, be, do, have. Be that person that you see, that you want, that you admire, that you know that has this wealth, that has what you want. Be in the vibration of that person. Do what these people do. Do the tasks, do the strategies, do the systems, do the reaching out, do, and then have. Have the mentality, the forefront, the gumption, the drive to do, have, be, do, have. It's all up to you. It's all up to you individually. It's all up to you. But don't chase people. Get up there and talk about what you're doing. Show the systems you're working on. Show what you are doing to enlighten and to grow people. And show what you have that you are growing and prospering. And people will follow you. People will reach out to you. That's right, to you. And want to know more of what you're doing, because you know what? You're doing something great. And it's the people that aren't afraid to say, this is what I'm doing. It may or may not be for you, but you know what? It's working for me. So I'm going to share it with you. And that's what we do. We create, we test, and we make sure systems are working. And then we share it with you. Why not? So you can do the same thing. Like, for example, hypothetically, let's say you learned a system from me that I have. Let's say you learned something from me and you decided, okay, I learned this. Now I'm going to repurpose it. I'm going to teach this same thing I learned from Christy, and I'm going to put it in my own words, and I'm going to resell it under my name. Why not? It's all legit as long as you don't use my same words or my same PDFs or anything like that. If you create your own, then why not? That's how you can do it. You can get content, you can create from any aspect, and there's content all around you. And there's creation all around you. And you'll find when you're in a happy state, when you are happy with what you're doing, you're happy with who you are, you're just happy being, you will find, get this now, you will find that this is so much simpler for you. It's so much simpler, and it just comes and grows, and it's just part of being for you. When you do this, and you will, you'll see, it'll work, then it's all there for you. Happiness is a being, it's a state, it's a feeling. Just take a minute every single day, especially if you're having a bad day, if something's not going right, if everything's just kind of twitchy. Take a minute every day to just sit and breathe and feel. Wow, I'm grateful I have this time. I'm grateful I have this very desk to rise up and so I can stand. I'm grateful I have this office chair. I'm grateful I have an office at home. I'm grateful I have my family. I'm grateful I have these things. I'm grateful I have my car. Just be grateful for whatever it is that enlightens you and makes you happy. And that's what it's all about. It's all about you being grateful for what you have, what you're doing, and who you're being. It's what it's all about, guys. It's all about you being the grateful person that you are. You are an amazing person. So all I can say is be, do, have. Become that person. Maybe you're not that person yet, but you will be. I have faith in you, and I have insight that you are going to be great. You're going to have the business you want. You're going to have the lifestyle you want, and everything you want is going to come to pass. It's just a matter of you stepping up and making it happen. Okay, guys? Be, do, have. Feel enlightened, feel inspired, and be happy every single day. It will change your life. It will change your being. It will change your business. It will change how people respond to you. Because who wants to talk to a grumpy person? People want to talk to someone that's happy, right? If you can make people laugh, if you can make people happy, why not? Yeah, come on. It's all about that, right? You know it is. So, I have a link up here to my newsletter. I know, can you believe it? My newsletter. So get on that, and I always send things out to my newsletter, my team first. They get all my good stuff, all the promos and all the fun stuff I offer. And a lot of things I offer, I don't offer to the general public. I just offer to my team. So if you're on that list, then you can definitely take advantage of this. And just a disclaimer here, I don't have anything playing in the background today, so you won't hear anything there. But go over to YouTube and please subscribe to our channel over there, because it's growing and we are being so happy if they can fix the algorithm over there. And then like and share this video, and let's share it and get it out there with the world. Let's make as many people happy as we can, okay? The more people that hear to be happy, the more they can change their lives too. And it'll be a benefit to everyone who shares this. So thank you so much in advance for all you're doing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so very, very much. Okay, I will chat with you later, and I will call this a wrap. Okay, bye-bye.